subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
LG has launched its new affordable phone in the US called LG Aristo 5. Talking about the specifications, the LG Aristo 5 supports a 5.7-inch HD plus full vision display with 19:9 aspect ratio. The screen is covered by thick bezels on all sides, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries 5-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the phone features a horizontally aligned dual camera setup at the top center, including LED flash. The dual rear camera includes a 13-megapixel primary camera with face detection autofocus sensor and a 5-megapixel secondary camera with wide-angle lens. The rear panel of the phone also features an fingerprint sensor for authentication. Under the hood, the LG Aristo 5 comes powered by MediaTek Helio P22 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 32GB via microSD card slot. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box, and it houses 3000 mAh battery, for which the company claims to offer 10 hours of talk time on a single charge. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 147.82 by 71.12 by 8.63 mm, and it weighs around 146 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The LG Aristo 5 has been priced in the US at $150, and it is now available for purchase in the country through T-Mobile website in silver color option. So, what do you guys think of this LG Aristo 5 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.